This one is a ready fridge special for my vegetarian peoples. We're doing a spicy stir-fried veg to go with the Knorr Teriyaki Noodles. And meat lovers, don't frighten, you could get in on this action too. And this is a dish you could whip up in less than 30 minutes prep time inclusive. And speaking of prep time, we're going to cut up the veggies and aromatics. A tip when you're looking to julienne carrots, which is the French way of saying cut into long thin strips. Cut the face off one side and lay it flat on the cutting board so the carrot doesn't shift while you're working with it. This is also a good excuse to snack on a few pieces of raw carrot. And you know the drill by now. We bring in 1 3/4 cups of water and a tablespoon of oil to a boil. Add the contents of the packet. You're going to reduce the heat and allow it to simmer for 7 minutes. And while the noodles simmering away, you're going to stir fry the veggies. Now this is not a case where you just throw everything in the pot and hope for the best. It's a process and planning. The first thing we want to do is hit the oil with some minced garlic and saute for 10 seconds. And hit the oil with some ginger, saute for the next 10 seconds. And this is going to flavor the oil. Now we're going in with our onions. Then add the pimento and the scotch bonnet. And the idea is to not overcook the veggies. We want them to have a little bite to them when we finish. Now we want to go in with the rest of the veg. Season with salt and black pepper and toss. At this point I realized I should have used a bigger pan or a wok, but we're too late in the game, so we had to work with this. And the thing to note here is that each veg really has its own flavor profile. And we really want to taste the veggies, so you don't need any other seasoning other than salt and black pepper. And look how colorful and vibrant this is. They say you eat with your eyes first, but I could tell you, all 4 of my eyes ready to eat this meal. And I can't lie, sometimes the simplest dishes bring the most comfort. This is a real nice meal to whip up in 2 twos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a share. And if you do try this recipe, please take pics and post to Instagram or Facebook and tag us. Thanks to Knorr for sponsoring this video. Knorr sides and sauces can be found at supermarkets nationwide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.